welcome back. Today we show you this elegant cross-leg glass table. For this table, we've 3 versions: sand, walnut and white. The leg is designed in knockdown item to save space and easy for shipping. Showing you how to assemble this. Take 2 parts of the legs and place them so that the grooves on both legs fit. Included in the product box is tools to fix the table legs. Put a screw in each hole at the joint part and use the screwdriver to ensure the 2 parts of the leg are joined together. Like these guys are doing. Using the glass top to recheck the leg aging. Put the ruler on it, make sure the leg is not tilted or skewed. Straight, no deviation. Perfect fit, no gap between the leg and the top glass. He's checking the strength, stability of the table by applying some force on the glass surface. No shaking, leaning. The table are firm and steady. Showing you how our QC checking on a large scale. We use the glass to check it. If the legs is weak, unbalanced, the glass will be tilted, vibrated. We will send these legs to recheck and fix or remove it before packing. Our QC team will check one by one to make sure each item is quality of the client's standards. That's it for today. See you in next video.